The control of robot motion path is realized by manually teaching the starting point and the end point of each path, and then ending corresponding curve motion instructions. Click Point Management Interface to see the relevant information of the points, including ID number, then reference times, and the name of the corresponding TCP. The ID number is the unique identification of the point, which is automatically generated when it is created. The points referenced in the curve motion instruction in the basic program are associated and uniquely confirmed by the ID number. The point name can be automatically generated during teaching or input by operators, which is convenient for point reference and management in the program. Reference times refers to the number of times the point is referenced in all basic programs in the controller. Note: when the reference times is greater than 1, modifying the date of this point may affect some motion path in a basic program or the motion path in many basic programs. The corresponding tool coordinate system needs to be checked. When it is undefined, this point can only determine the position and attitude of the robot flange center, but cannot determine the position and attitude of the TCP. Click the Filter button. It can display only the list of points referenced in a basic program. Click the Details button. We can see the point date. The point date includes two parts. One is the 6th joint value, and the other is the corresponding tool coordinate system ID. These two parts determine the position and attitude of TCP. Pay attention here. 1. When creating a new point, the tool coordinate system used must be checked to let the controller generate a straight line or arc based on TCP. 2. When copying the program written on one robot to the other robots, it is necessary to ensure the relative position and attitude between TCP and the workpiece table. In this case, the user coordinate system used must be checked. 3. When the tool is replaced or the workpiece table is shifted, it is necessary to reestablish a new tool coordinate system and user coordinate system, and then use the coordinate system transformation instructions. In the point date interface, 5 basic functions are provided. 1. Click Run to this point to control the robot to directly reach the position and attitude of this point. 2. Select User Coordinate System. We can view the position date of the point in the User Coordinate System. 3. Click Revise Attitude, then enter the revised value, and click Coordinate Revision. Then the 6th joint value will be revised. Click Modify or Save as a new point. 4. If checking the checkboxes, you can modify multiple coordinate value date at the same time by entering the value in the quantitative adjust text box. 5. The offset attribute function is provided. The administrator can enter the maximum absolute value of the point offset to limit the operator's modification of the point.